Good morning, everyone. Wanted to show you the Smith & Wesson mag releases from the metal and or FPC. They're not the same, but they come apart and can be rebuilt or fixed the same identical way. So this is what your mag release should look like. And this is what it could look like if you push too far down that center release right there, that screw, whatever you want to call it, which is this part. You push too far, this is what can happen. So should that happen, it's easy. You just take your little mag release, your spring, make sure you don't lose any of it, put the spring back inside there, and this little piece right here, the skinnier part right there, you want to go in first. Remember, these are MIM parts. They look like it to me, which means metal injection molding. And they don't bend. So you just take your pliers, grab that upper nub right there, right here. Not hard, just enough to grab it, hold it, push this back in there. I know it's hard to see. You'll put it back in that hole, it's fixed. You're right back to normal right there. And you can put this thing back in. So the metals, you'll have to turn them to the right to take them out, turn it to the left to put it back in. But one thing I want to show you to keep you from having this come apart is when this is out, take a look at it. If you look here, you can see how far you have to press it to get it around that notch. There's one on each side. So depending on which side you put this on. So let me get back in here. So you're only going to press down about a 1/16, maybe a little bit more is all you need with this. And you're done. It's that simple to put back together, and just be careful with it. So you guys have a good day. Bye.